In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Zoho CRM using the full 2025 guide. To get started, head over to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your central hub for all things CRM. And once we're here, you'll want to click on the settings or setup option. This will typically be found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and is often represented by a small gear icon. The setup area is where you will access all the configuration options you need to customize and manage your CRM effectively. Next, from the settings menu, click on modules and fields. This section allows you to manage and configure the various modules of Zoho CRM. For our purposes today, we're focusing on the leads module because that's where our pipeline will originate from. Once in the leads section, you'll notice different tabs for customizing layout options. Click on Standard, which will take you to the default layout where you can check the configurations to ensure they fit your needs. Once your layouts are all set up and ready, the next step is to create the actual pipeline. Navigate back to the setup menu and look for the pipelines option. Click on it to open the pipelines management area. Here you'll see a button to create a new pipeline. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to input a name for your pipeline. This is an important step, as naming conventions can help you and your team identify pipelines quickly. Choose a descriptive and succinct name that makes sense for the type of sales process you are managing. After naming your pipeline, you'll need to choose the appropriate layout. Just as we did with the leads module, make sure that the layout aligns with your business requirements. For most users, sticking with the standard layout is a good choice unless there's a specific reason to create a customized layout. Now comes the exciting part, adding stages to your pipeline. Stages help break down the sales process into actionable steps and should reflect your actual business process. Click on Qualification to use it as your starting stage, or create a new stage by selecting the option to add a new stage. This flexibility allows you to customize the pipeline exactly to your operational needs. Once you've added all the necessary stages, review everything to ensure accuracy. If you're satisfied, click Save to make sure your new pipeline configuration is stored. Double check all your entries and logic to ensure everything functions as expected. Finally, click Done to exit the setup, and your pipeline is now ready to use. Congratulations on setting up your new pipeline in Zoho CRM. Now you're all set to manage your leads more efficiently and drive your sales process forward.